Well, if there's a full guide on how to reset Android phone when locked, does it give you a glimmer of hope? Okay, in today's video, we'll let you know this definitive guide on how to reset a locked phone breezily. Part 1. How to reset Android phone when locked, no credential required. Solution 1. How to factory or hard reset Android without password directly. Power off Android. Press power plus volume down plus camera or volume. Release, select, wipe data or factory reset. Confirm, erase everything, and tap reboot. Solution 2. How to reset Android phone without password using Android Unlock. Android Unlock is recommended as the best Android unlock tool. It can remove up to 4 kinds of locks in a while and is well compatible with most PC and mobile phones. Solution 3. How to reset a locked phone with custom recovery and pattern password. Disable SD card needed. Download pattern password. Disable zip to PC. Transfer to SD card. Insert SD card in Android. Restart into recovery mode. Flash zip for custom recovery. Reboot. Device unlocks. Part 2. How to reset Android phone without password. Google Samsung account credential required. Solution 1. How to reset a locked phone with Android Device Manager. Visit Android Device Manager. Sign in. Select phone. Click lock. Enter temp password. Use options. Unlock with temp code. Solution 2. How to reset phone without password via Find My Mobile. Samsung only. Visit Find My Mobile site. Log in with Samsung account. Select Lock Samsung. Click Unlock My Screen. Tap Unlock on the screen. Wait for notification. Phone is unlocked. Solution 3. How can I factory reset my Android phone without unlocking it with Google Login? Android 4.4 and below. Enter an easy and random lock screen pattern 5 times. Choose Forgot Pattern option from the pop-up screen. Enter your Google account login. Your Android phone should be unlocked then.